Perfect.
Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. And today we're going to be making glow-in-the-dark slime.
Yes, and who are you?
I'm Corban.
Yes.
And that's Mommy holding the camera.
Hi. So what do we need for our slime?
We need contact solution.
Contact solution.
Baking soda. Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue.
Yeah, glow in the dark Elmer's glue.
Measuring spoon.
All right, measuring spoons.
Something to mix it with.
Yeah, something to mix it with. And
a
last.
bowl.
And a bowl.
This is perfect.
Yes. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
All right. All right. First thing Corban is going to do is pour in the glue.
Okay, now I'm going to pop it in there.
Okay, now Corban is going to add a half a tablespoon of baking soda. All right, you can go ahead. All right, and you can mix it.
Okay.
Yep, hold the bowl and mix it slowly. Might be a little hard. All right, now Corban is going to pour 1 tablespoon of contact solution in the bowl. All right, and now take your spoon and mix it.
It's a good thing this is contact solution because this slime is sticky.
Oh yeah, keep stirring, keep stirring.
Fast.
Oh, it's turning into slime. All right, you know we got to get our hands in here.
Ready?
Yeah, get your hands in there.
Whoa.
Yes, and get some of that, get some of the contact solution on there. Squeeze it.
And mix it.
And mix it.
And squeeze it.
Yes.
Squeeze the contact
Here,
solution.
squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it.
Woo.
Yay! So that's our slime. Our glow-in-the-dark
guess what?
slime.
Guess what?
What?
If we had different colors, we could put them in here, and then we could twist them together.
Yeah. So probably what we'll do is once it gets dark, we're gonna turn off all the lights to see if it glows in the dark.
Wait. Oh my.
All right.
Whoa. Ah! Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. If I smashed it down, it could be a letter.
Okay.
Ah! Look at this. Look at this. Ah! It can fall. Ah!
Okay, what are you gonna do now, Corban?
I'm gonna see how far it can stretch without it breaking.
Oh, you're gonna see how far it stretches without breaking.
All the way to the window?
Yeah. Backlight. Look at that.
Good one. Glowing.
Yes, that's our...
Woohoo. Wow, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ooh.
Perfect.
See you in the next video. Bye.